sacrifice, have their hair cut, and go to Makkah to perform Tawaf al-Ziyarah and the Sa'i for Hajj. After which they will be released from the state of Ihram and they will return to Mina. From the 11th to the 13th of the Hajj, known as Ayyam al-Tashriq, the days of drying wheat, pilgrims spend time in Mina where they will throw 7 pebbles at all 3 Jamrah on each day. If Tawaf al-Ziyarah, Sa'i of Hajj, animal sacrifice or the haircut wasn't performed on the 10th of the Hijjah, that may be carried out in these days. Hajj types. There are 3 types of Hajj that a pilgrim may choose from: Hajj Qiran, Hajj Tamattu', Hajj Ifrad. In Hajj Qiran, a pilgrim performs Umrah and Hajj with one intention. They will wear the clothes of Ihram and make the intention for Hajj Qiran. Perform Umrah. Upon completion, they will stay in the state of Ihram. On 8th of Dhul Hijjah, they will move to Mina, start Hajj rites, and then slaughter an animal on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah. On completing Hajj, they will come out of state of Ihram. Hajj Tamattu'.